Lazy Pizza Day. This time a cheesy chicken shawarma. First we're gonna cut up a bell pepper, a red one. First we're gonna cut out the seeds. Now let's dice up the bell pepper. Put some good olive oil in a pan and let's heat it up. At the local butcher you can buy this chicken thigh. It's already seasoned with these delicious shawarma spices. And in the pan it goes. We're gonna cook them until they're ready. And when they're ready, we're gonna put in the diced red bell peppers. And let that simmer for a bit. The chicken is ready, and I'm gonna strain all the fat out of it. I don't want that on my pizza. And by now you know the drill. It's a lazy pizza day. So, as the previous video, I bought this store-bought pizza dough with the sauce on it, and it's incredible. It's a good base, so let's make our pizza. I bought a mixed bag of cheeses. It was cheddar, Parmazan and Gouda, so I put that on the bottom, because I love Gouda. And on top of that goes a beautiful chicken thighs. And put a lot on it, because you have to really taste the chicken. It's really good. It's really, really good. And I added extra bell peppers. And of course, more cheese. This time only cheddar cheese. That's gonna melt beautiful on the pizza. Topped it off with some red onions, and it will go in the oven for about 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Now it's ready. It's ready to be eaten. Look at that. Full of cheese, full of flavor. I also made a side dish of a salad. I like a salad with a pizza. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. And if you really want to support me, subscribe to my channel. Help me grow so that I can make more of these videos. Again, thank you and see you next time.